Hello lovelies, and welcome back to Healing with Jordan. I'm Jordan, and I'd like to ask that if these messages are resonating with you, to like and subscribe, and if you feel up to it, share your thoughts below, because this is a safe place. Okay, let's get into the message for today. So forgiveness isn't always easy, but it's always for you. Forgiveness doesn't always come with peace at first. At times it comes with a tight chest and tears you don't plan to cry. Sometimes it comes with shaking like a leaf in the wind. Sometimes it feels like betrayal, not of them, but of yourself. And the feelings that come with that can be confusing, because the pain was real. The damage has already been done. And the idea of letting go feels like letting them get away with what they've done to you. But guess what? Forgiveness isn't saying that what they did was okay. It's saying, I refuse to carry the pain of how their actions affected you. And that's where your freedom is. Because not forgiving changes you to what hurt you. It keeps the wound open. It lets the past live rent-free in your mind, in your soul, long after the person who caused it has moved on or forgotten. Forgiveness is how we reclaim our power back. But honestly, it doesn't happen overnight. It's not always pretty, and that's not weakness, but it is a process. Some days you feel free, other days the memory shows up and presses on that wound again. But every time you choose to release it, instead of playing it over and over in your mind, you're healing. Forgiveness is hard because, of course, your heart wants justice. But what you need to remember is God sees everything and doesn't forget a thing. But what he wants is for you to be well, to be weight-free in your heart, and not to let their actions define the rest of your emotional life. Because you deserve peace in your heart and your mind. And even though it's hard to let go, you can't carry peace and resentment in the same hands. So do your best, let them go. Not because they deserve it, but because you do. And on that note, guys, I'm going to love you and leave you with that short message. All relevant information about me is in the description box below. And until next time, take care of yourself. Peace and love.